In this video, I'll show you how to fix on your Buick Enclave in case you get the no remote detected message in the dash and your car doesn't start. So let's get started right away. Everything I'm showing you is in the owner's manual, by the way, if you want to check this out. First thing, we need to locate the key transmitter pocket. This is where you're gonna need to place your key fob to be able to start the car. In your Buick Enclave, it's located inside of the armrest. So open the lid, and if you have a tray, anything, remove them. You may find some liner at the end, remove that liner as well, and you're gonna have a flat surface with an indentation the shape of your key. Simply put your key over there and don't touch it. If it's on a keychain, you may have to remove it so it stays still perfectly there. To be able to start your car and get rid of this message, first of all, turn it off, then put the key where I just showed you, and finally put your foot on the brake pedal and push the start-stop button. The car will start and everything will work. Now, when you have time, go ahead and replace the key fob battery. And once you do this, you won't get the message next time you want to drive your car. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a comment down below, subscribe and like. Have a nice day.